Okay, guys, let me be honest with you. If I was starting from zero in 2026, no skill, no experience, no connection whatsoever, but I had my phone and internet. These are the three AI tools I'll start with to make money online. Yeah, and no, you don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need coding. You don't even need to be good with computers. Yeah, you just need to understand how to use these tools the smart way. Yeah. So in this video, I will show you the tools, how people are making money from them, and how you as in Nigeria can start. Yeah. Welcome to Heavenly Grace Monotana. On this channel, I share real and beginner-friendly ways to make money online, from online survey to AI tools you can use to earn, to simple side hustle you can start from your phone. I break everything down step by step so you can actually understand and start. So if making money online is something you want to learn or you want to build extra income for yourself, then you are definitely in the right place. Welcome. Okay, on today's episode, we're going to be talking about three AI tools that will earn you money in this 2026. Yes, the tools. On this video, I'll tell you about the tools, how people are making money from them, and how you as a Nigerian can start. Yeah. So first of all, the first tool on my list is ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT or any AI writing tools that looks like it. That's number one. Why? Because businesses always need content. I'm talking about blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, YouTube scripts, and even email writing. Yeah, and many business owners don't want to write all that themselves. They don't even have time to do that. So this is how you earn money with it. You can offer the services. You can offer those services like script writing for YouTubers, like caption writing for small businesses, product description writing for online stores, affiliate marketing content, and many more. Yeah, even if you're not a writer, AI helps you start as a beginner. Yeah. So now let me give you a little tip. Don't just copy AI output. When you go and browse or ask your ChatGPT to help you out, don't copy the output and paste. Edit it. Yeah. Add some human touch. Fix the tune so it shouldn't just look or AI in nature. AI is just helping you, like brainstorming with you. So you bring your own idea and make it human. Yeah. So the second tool on my list is Canva. Yeah, with AI features. If you can use WhatsApp, you can use Canva. Honestly, it's as simple as that. Now, Canva is not just for design anymore. It has AI image generation, it has text tools, it has presentation tools. In fact, it has everything you're looking for. So this is how you make money using Canva AI. You can sell thumbnails, thumbnails. You can sell Instagram posts. You can use it to create business flyers. You can use it for YouTube channel branding. You can use it for ebook covers. There are people making money just designing these things. Simple posts for small businesses, and guess what? They are doing well. Many clients don't even know you use AI. They just want good results. You get me? So this is a tip for this. I have a beginner tip for you. Start with simple services like maybe Instagram post design for small businesses. Simple sells faster than complicated. Don't go and get things complicated. Just use the templates you can find on Canva and generate it or create that. The person who is even sending you doesn't even know or won't even know. Like they can never know that you use AI to generate that. They just want the best result. You get that. The third tool on my list is AI video or content tools. That's Faceless channel. This is powerful right now because video content is killing, like they are king now. Yeah. So short videos, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook Reels, AI tools can now help you do that. They can help you generate videos. They can help you generate voice. They can help you generate caption. They can help you generate the visuals itself. You see, it's very simple. So how can you make money here? You can start a faceless YouTube channel. I have a faceless YouTube channel. Forget about this one you're saying. I know say you know say I like money. So you can start a faceless YouTube channel. You can create content pages and monetize them. You can offer video creation services to people who might need it. You can do affiliate marketing using AI videos. Yes, and this space is still growing. Meaning early starters can win. So I have a beginner tip for you on this one. Don't wait to be perfect. Do not wait to be perfect. Start ugly. Then you can improve later. Most people never start because they want to be perfect first. They just want to be professional first before they will start. That might take a long time. Okay, so guys, let me say something very real. AI is not magic money. Yeah, you still need consistency. You still need patience. You still need learning. You learn as you're doing. Even when I'm editing my videos, there are some parts that I haven't gotten to that. As I'm editing it, I'll get to find out them, and I'm learning them. You get so you need consistency, you need patience, you need learning, yes, and practice. If you're practicing, as long as you keep practicing, you're learning new things. Yeah. So guys, AI helps you remove the "I don't know how to start" excuse. Yeah. So guys, for Nigeria, yes, you can use these platforms, you can use these tools. From Nigeria, what you need is just internet connection, your time, consistency, sometimes payment method for some platforms. Yeah, because most of the platforms that you want to use to generate your content might need you to make payments. You get, but you can start learning and offering services immediately. Okay, so guys, if you want, I can make separate videos showing you guys how to make money using only ChatGPT, or how to make money using only Canva AI, or how to make money using AI tools step by step. Yeah. So comment and tell me which one you want best, and if you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any of our updates. And remember this, the people making money online are not always the smartest. Yes, they are not. You're always thinking you're not smart, but yes, you are. They are just the ones that started. Yeah. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.